Hi, I'm Kalyn, and this is my yellow nape Amazon Lorenza. Do you want to say hi? Oh well, she talks when she wants to. And we are here today to talk about how you can attract more money. That is one of the top questions that Lorenza receives, and that sometimes people email me about too. So in the flow of money, which is really where you want to be, money comes to you and you're able to spend money. It comes and it goes. And it goes where you want it to go, kind of thing. In order to really get into this flow, get into a good flow with money, get into an abundant flow with money, you really need to change your mind about money, and you need to change how you think about money. The number one thing you want to change really is saying that you want money. You don't really want money. I mean, who wants a whole bunch of paper cloth just sitting around? What you really, really want is what the money is going to bring you or do for you. You're being loud. And you want, that house you want, or you want to be able to pay your bills, or maybe you want to be able to go shopping. Whatever it is that you want the money for, that's what you really want to focus on, because it gives you a very different energy. In other words, the energy of I want a lot of money. Some people, that's genuinely what they want, and if that's genuinely your desire, that's fine. But at least 9 or 9.5 people out of 10 are really wanting something else. Maybe you want a new car. Let's say you want a new car. What you really want to do is change your mindset, because just wanting money doesn't work. It's going to exhaust you, it's going to frustrate you, and it's going to make you unhappy. On the other hand, if you want a new car and you really feel like that new car is who you really are. For example, I got an Audi. I really, really like my Audi, and it really feels like who I am. It's a nice SUV. I could take my birds if I need to take my birds, like to the vet, or if I'm going to get a new cage, I can carry the cage. So it really suits me. I feel good in my Audi. I feel well taken care of. I feel comfortable and confident. It's a good car. It's not going to leave me stranded. And it really helps me take my birds around, get my groceries in, whatever it is I'm doing. It makes me feel like I can take care of things. Maybe that's something that you're after. Maybe you want to feel like you can go anywhere you want. You have the freedom and the power in your car to go where you want. Then in that case, those are the things that you really want to focus on. Now here's the other reason you really want to change your mind about how you think about money. You already can be capable or feel free to go where you want to go. In other words, you are who you are, just like Lorenza is the loud bird she is. And no one can take that away from you. No one can change who you are, but you can certainly tap into who it is that you are and who you want to be more of. When you tap into that, you're going to tap into a lot more power than just you. You're going to tap into your source's power as well. Also, when you really have changed your mind about, you change from wanting something outside of you, the money or the car, to changing to something that you want from inside of you, like a little peace and quiet. I'm kidding. Like more of a sense of freedom, more of a sense of personal power, or whatever it is that the thing you really want really holds for you. Then you can be that. You can be more empowered now. The car might help, but it's within you. Really, personal power is within you. Freedom is within you. One of my favorite examples is Nelson Mandela. Sitting in jail, and yet one of the freest men in the world. No one can take that away from you, and you want to make sure that you have that kind of mindset, because that is a truly powerful mindset. It's also a lot more attractive. A truly powerful mindset doesn't belong just to this. It belongs to so much more about you. It also comes from your source energy. Your source energy, the universe, whatever you want to call it, really wants you to experience everything you want to experience, including a little help. A little hi. At least I got my hi. There's other birds around, and it kind of freaks her out. That's part of what's going on here. Quiet down, sweetie. Be a good birdie. Be a good birdie. Yes. You want to tap into that power. You want to tap into all that you are so that you can really be who you want to be. Free, empowered, happy. And that way, you're going to have a lot more ease in attracting, because you're already going to be really holding the energy that you already were, that you really wanted to bring out, and that is going to be reflected. Oh, I've been pooped on now. That's going to be reflected in the manifestation you're after. When you have birds, this is what happens. You have loudness, and you have bird poop. That's what I've got going on here. But when you want more money, you're not stuck with bird poop. You really have more influence and more power within yourself than you realize. So tap into that. Realize that just like happiness is an inside job, so is personal power, or whatever it is that money represents to you. Tap into those things, and you're going to really shift how you feel, how you see your money, and your ability to attract it. Thank you for joining Loud Lorenza and I today in the flow, where we like to always welcome whatever's going on, replace it, and light ourselves up, because it's by doing that that we become more and more of who we are. We live by the law of self, and then the law of attraction brings everything that we are to us. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like if you liked the video and share. See you next time.